I will begin prepping my client by wrapping a neck strip around his neck for sanitation and protection between the client and the cape. My cape of choice is the Elegance Professional Cape. And now I'll be using the A-Rod Elegance gloves used to prevent hair splinters, increase your tool grip, and prevent chemical reactions. First, I start by selecting the area that I want to work on. Then I will start combing down so every hair can fall into place. I will start with a number 3 guard to even out the whole area we're working on. After everything is evened out, I'm gonna start doing my freestyle design with my outliners. I will use the corner of the blade to get every detail that I need. I use the corner of the blade like it was a pencil, and the hair is the canvas. The corner of the blade is also very helpful when working on the front lineup. Take a look. Be gentle when working on your clients. As you can see, my client can't even feel my hands. This design consists of 3 drips dripping the secret sauce and connects to a 3D part that flows all the way to the back, falling under the crown area. I will now apply the Elegance shaving gel over the freestyle design. The clear formula allows you to see the areas that you're working with. And the Elegance blade works perfectly to get all the details you need on your freestyle design, lineups, and eyebrows. Now sit back and enjoy the rest of the detailing. And now, I'll be using the Elegance hairspray, creating the first layer before I start applying hair fiber enhancements. I will now use the Elegance hair fibers coming soon to enhance the freestyle design. With the blade, I will trace the freestyle design, removing the excess hair fibers. And now, I'm done with the freestyle design. So, little man, you gotta wake up. Wake up. Hey, 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 wake up. We're done. Let me get the other side. Hey, 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 wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Are you okay? Hey, what's going on? You still got the gloves on? What? Alright, you ready? Repeating the first step, we're taking a number 3 guard and making everything even on the area that we want to work with. With a number 0, I will create a guideline to start my fading technique. With a number 1 guard, I will create another guideline, half an inch on top of the one that we already have created with the 0 guard. Now we're gonna open the 0 blade and we're gonna start blending. Now, with a number 2 guard, we're gonna create a third guideline. With a number 1.5, I start merging the guideline with a number 2 and the guideline with a number 1. The half guard is very important, and I like to use it because it blends from a number 0 to a number 1 and it looks very smooth. At the end of the cut, we're gonna start looking for imperfections. So make sure with a half, a 1, or 1.5, start making sure there's no lines and you have a perfect blend. And now I'm gonna start working on the lineup, connecting both lines and created a straight line across the forehead. now repeat the hairspray and hair fiber technique to enhance the front lineup. Now with the liners, I will go over the same line that I already created just to remove the excess hair fibers. I will now apply the Elegance Hair and Beard Oil, providing protection and hydration to the hair. I will now brush and blow dry the hair to get rid of all the knots. This process will allow me to do a better man bun. And now I will apply the Elegance Hair Cream that provides extra nourishment in a non-sticky form that helps maintain healthy, soft hair. I will now apply the Elegance Triple Action Hair Gel that provides a strong hold, extreme volume and attractive shine while providing a refreshing fragrance. And now we finish by giving out the man bun style. Is gathering all the hair in a single bun, placing it on top of the crown area. For the final touch, I will use the Elegance hairspray to lock in the style. The undercut and the man bun have been one of the biggest hair trends in the past few years. To see more tutorials like this one, vlogs, product reviews, and transformations, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think below. This is A-Rod the Barber, and thank you for watching.